Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we will see how to configure OPCAgentX software as unidirectional OPC UA to MQTT publisher. So our OPCAgentX software will connect with OPC UA server, okay? And then after we will select the tag which we want to publish to the MQTT broker. So it will publish those tag data to MQTT broker, and with the help of any MQTT client software, you can read and monitor those data. And if you are using Cloud MQTT broker, then also you can monitor your OPC UA data from anywhere in the world because we are using Cloud MQTT Broker. Okay, so let's see how you can configure your OPCAgentX software to create OPC UA to MQTT converter, or you can say unidirectional OPC UA to MQTT converter. So here is my OPCAgentX software. I can launch it. Okay, and we want to connect this OPCAgentX software with OPC UA server. So here you can see we don't have any server yet. So what I will do is I will right click and we will click on the browse. So it will browse the available OPC UA server in my local system. Okay, and here you can see it has found my process OPC UA simulation server because it's running in my system. Okay, you can match the endpoint URL. Okay, and it is matching. I can double click here to connect with it. Okay, and here is the entire address space of my process OPC UA simulation server. I can go to the simulation folder. Okay, and I can subscribe or I can add this tag into the monitoring section. Okay, and here you can see we have added all the tag into the monitoring section. Now I can rename it. So I can name it as a constant. This is my counter tag. This is my random. Okay, so we have renamed it. Now we are reading the values at every second. Now we want to publish the same value to MQTT broker. And we have already started our Mosquito broker services in my local system. So here you can see we have opened the MQTT Explorer software, which is our MQTT client software. I can connect with my Mosquito MQTT broker. Okay, and right now you don't see any topic. Okay, now we want to configure this OPCAgentX software to publish this value to our Mosquito MQTT broker. And with the help of this MQTT Explorer software, we want to read this value. So what you can do is you can go to the tools. Okay. You can click on the MQTT and here you will have one window to configure your MQTT broker details. So you have to click on this pencil icon. You have to enable this. Okay. And we want to publish our data at interval of 1 second. So here you have to specify the interval in the second. Then after you have to provide your host name or IP address of your MQTT broker. So IP address of my system is 127.0.0.1. So I can copy this. I can paste it here. Okay. And here you don't have to provide the port number because it will use 1883 port as a default. Okay. Then after we are going to publish our data into the OPCAgentX topic. So I have mentioned the topic here. Now we can click on the test connect to test our OPCAgentX connectivity with MQTT broker, and it is connected. So we can press OK to save our setting. Okay, and we can restart this runtime. So what we can do is we can stop it or we can disconnect it. Okay, and here you can see we don't have any OPCAgentX topic which we have specified here. So I can start it. Okay, and here you will see OPCAgentX topic, and here is our tag value: constant, counter, random, sawtooth, sinusoid, square, and triangle. If you want to create a graph of this tag, then you can click here and you can create a graph. Okay, so this is just a sample graph. Okay, so this is how you can use your OPCAgentX software to connect with any OPC UA server and to publish your OPC UA server data to any MQTT broker. Okay, right now we have used our local Mosquito MQTT broker, but you can use any MQTT broker. And I hope how to make this work, how to configure this, that is also clear. Okay, so you have to go to the localhost UA and you have to browse. And if you are not able to browse, then you can click here and then you can select UA, and here you can provide the endpoint URL. Okay, and it will connect with that OPC UA server, and then after you can browse your OPC UA server, you can add the tags into the monitoring section, you can rename those tags, and you can publish the tag value to MQTT broker after configuring the MQTT section. So I hope everything is clear. And if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And this OPC AgentX software is in the trial version. So you can only add 20 tag. Okay, maximum 20 tag is allowed. And if you want to use this software for more than 20 tag, then you have to buy the license of it. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. And in the next video, we will see how to use this OPC AgentX software to log your OPC UA data directly into the Microsoft SQL Server database. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.